The air suspension system controls the vehicle height while driving in accordance with the driving conditions and the driver's preferences. Ensure all doors are closed and the engine is in the on position. Push and hold this switch to enable the auto mode. The electronic air suspension status indicator is displayed here. At vehicle speeds above approximately 55 miles per hour, the vehicle height is lowered to improve aerodynamics. When in 4 high or 4 low, and at speeds below 12 miles per hour, the vehicle will switch to high mode. When the vehicle is put into park, it will automatically lower to the access position. Please note that it may take a period of time for the vehicle to lower to access height. Once you start driving, the vehicle height will automatically be raised to the normal position. When the auto switch is pushed off, the vehicle height will remain in the normal fixed position. These switches in the cargo area can also be used to adjust the vehicle height. With the transmission in park, push this switch to lower the vehicle to the access position. Push this switch to raise the vehicle to the normal position. If the switch is off, the vehicle height is maintained at the normal position by the self-leveling function, regardless of the number of passengers and loadings in the cargo area. The self-leveling function can be turned off in the vehicle information display. Use these controls to select settings, maintenance, suspension, then system to toggle the feature on or off. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.